Hi, I'm Mallory Warner with the Lafayette team at eXp Realty. Today, I'm back in one of my all-time favorite communities, Persimmon Grove, located in Lexington, South Carolina. Come check out my newest listing at 160 Broad Oak Lane. This charming 3-bed, 2.5-bath home has been well maintained, including beautiful flower beds and garden. I hope you enjoyed the tour of 160 Broad Oak Lane. Give the Lafayette team a call today to schedule your private showing.